Today I'm going to show you the Kerasilk Keratin Treatment Service. It's perfect for clients with unruly and frizzy hair. Let's take a look. Always mix the shape and the smooth component in the ratio 1:1. Before starting the heat activation, pay attention to really blow dry the hair to 100% dry. Adjust the temperature of the flat iron according to the hair structure and the desired result. Use very small sections, about 0.5 centimeters. This will ensure to fully penetrate the hair with heat and activate the product. It's mandatory to apply the Kerasilk Control Finishing Serum evenly and generously after the service to avoid smelling and support a silky hair feel.